An ultra-private mansion in Studio City, California has a contingent offer just after 12 days on the market. The owner is Leah Remini herself, and the home's $12,995,000 list price places it at the very top of the Studio City real estate market. Luckily for you, TTP member, for today's video, we will be talking about the quick sale of Leah Remini's ultra-private $13 million Studio City mansion and the actress herself. The expansive residence is situated on a spacious 1.58-acre property in Fryman Canyon, one of the San Fernando Valley's most exclusive neighborhoods. Residents like George and AMAL CLOONEY, Bruno Mars, Jeff PROBST, Lucy Liu, and Daveed Diggs will probably be missed by Remini. For the actress and her husband, actor Angelo Pagan, who paid $3.75 million for the home in 2003, a potential 300% profit may be consoling. The location has undergone substantial changes since that time. Secure estate. Behind the gates of this incredibly elite four-residence enclave, the actress undoubtedly felt safe. Even her own house has a gate. The 10,326 square foot living area of the estate has 6 bedroom suites, 9 bathrooms, and 3 fireplaces. With its 2 bathrooms, 2 closets, and a seating area, and views of the San Gabriel Mountains, the main suite stands out. The estate's grounds are park-like and have a resort-style pool and spa, as well as relaxing places with natural landscaping. Even additional privacy is provided by mature trees. There is a standalone dance studio on the property. There are 4 large bedrooms on the second floor, all ensuite and have impressive closet space. The 6th bedroom on the main floor is perfect for guests. Dual parlors mirror the spectacular entry, and the lowered formal living room is perfect for entertaining. The property includes a library, a heated pool, hot tub, and spa. There is also a 5-car garage and more parking space on the open grounds. The outdoor oasis features expansive grounds with a resort-style pool that cascades into mountain views. The rich landscaping offers unique privacy and seclusion. The stylish park-like grounds surround the property that utilizes the 1.5-acre lot to its fullest. This is an unbelievable opportunity to come by a truly magnificent property with remarkable beauty in the heart of Fryman States. The 52-year-old actress Leah Remini is most known for her roles in the film King of Queens and Kevin Can Wait with Kevin James, as well as her Emmy-winning docuseries, Leah Remini, Scientology and the Aftermath. At New York University, she is pursuing an associate's degree in liberal arts while co-hosting the podcast Scientology Fair Game. She most recently participated in season 17 of So You Think You Can Dance as a judge. Television actress Leah Remini is well known for both her highly publicized separation from the Church of Scientology and her 9-year tenure on the hit comedy The King of Queens. Leah Remini, a Brooklyn, New York native, quit school to pursue her acting career. Before landing the career-defining role of Carrie Heffernan on the popular sitcom The King of Queens in 1998, Remini toiled away steadily for years on a number of series, flirting several times with greater fame. Prior to 2013, Remini was a member of the Church of Scientology. After leaving the church, she wrote about the experience in her best-selling memoir. In the A&E TV documentary series, Leah Remini's Scientology and the Aftermath. On June 15, 1970, Leah Marie Remini was born in Brooklyn, New York. Vicky, her mother, started dating a Church of Scientology member after her parents were divorced. Vicky eventually relocated to a Scientology base in Clearwater, Florida, with their 2 daughters. Remini moved once more when she was 13 years old, this time to Los Angeles, California, where she quickly quit school to pursue a career in show business. Who's the Boss, Living Dolls, and Saved by the Bell were some of her first roles. Remini secured a spot on the Head of the Class in 1988 and 2 episodes of Who's the Boss in 1989 by relying on her Brooklyn accent and attitude. Remini received her first leading role in the Who's the Boss spin-off, Living Dolls on ABC that same year, which also starred a young Halle Berry. However, the program failed to find an audience, and Remini resumed her acting career with roles on shows including Normal Life, The Hogan Family, and Guns of Paradise. She was given recurring roles in both Man in the Family and Saved by the Bell in 1991. Fired Up, First Time Out. Although Courteney Cox ultimately won the role of Monica in the NBC series Friends, Remini did make a cameo appearance on the program. In 1994, Remini auditioned for the job. Never one to go long periods without performing employment, Remini joined the Phantom 2040 ensemble in 1995 and provided the voice of an animated character. She was cast in a key part of the First Time Out the following year. But the show suffered the same fate as Living Dolls and was cancelled after 12 episodes. Remini was offered a prominent role once more in 1997, this time in the sitcom Fired Up, which also starred Sharon Lawrence from the NYPD Blue. Even while the show only lasted 28 episodes and wasn't a huge hit, it gave the actress the experience she needed to get her biggest acting role to date. Kevin Can Wait and King of Queens. On The King of Queens on September 1998, Leah Remini made her debut alongside Kevin James. It was the beginning of a run that would define her career. She once more drew on her New York origins to play the witty Carrie Heffernan, on-screen wife of Doug, the delivery man played by James. Remini rode with the wave of the show's popularity to become a household figure. And in 2003, she starred alongside Vince Vaughn in the comedy hit Old School. Remini and her former co-star James appeared together in the season 1 finale of the comedian's new program, Kevin Can Wait, 10 years after The King of Queens came to an end in 2007. Remini joined the cast as a regular after the audience embraced the well-known coupling. But Kevin Can Wait was ultimately cancelled after just a second season. Dancing with the Stars with The Talk. Remini joined Sarah Gilbert's daytime program, The Talk, in 2010 as an original co-host for one season. In 2013, she competed on season 17 of Dancing with the Stars, where she ultimately placed 5th and took up the lead role on ABC's Family Tools, an adaptation of the BBC series White Man Van. Later, for 2 seasons, Remini served as a co-host of the well-liked dancing competition program. Scientology breakup. Leah Remini was one of the church's ardent champions throughout her career, alongside people like Tom Cruise. That is until she openly left the group in July 2013. Remini returned to the news after the announcement after she appeared on talk shows to defend her choice. The church then responded forcefully to refute her allegations of abusive behavior. Remini's separation from the church also seemed to give her professional life a fresh lease of life. Later that year, she premiered Leah Remini, It's All Relative, a reality TV program that also included her husband, Angelo Pagan, and daughter Sophia. In 2014, she started regularly appearing on The Axis. Scientology and the Aftermath and Memoir. Remini released a memoir titled Troublemaker, Surviving Hollywood and Scientology at the end of 2015. The book's contentious subject matter drove it to the top of the New York Times bestseller list and piqued television executives' interest as well. Leah Remini, Scientology and the Aftermath, a documentary series that featured the actress interviewing other ex-church members, made its debut on A&E in November 2016. Scientology and the Aftermath Season 2 premiered soon after Remini discovered that her program had been nominated for 2 Emmy Awards. Scientology and the Aftermath won an Emmy for Outstanding Informational Series or Special in September 2017. It was also disclosed that the show had sparked a probe into allegations of rape against actor Danny Masterson and a potential church cover-up. After the first of what are said to be 4 victims told Remini her story, the actress urged the victim to report the incident to the LAPD. and personally checked in with officers to see how the investigation was going. In spite of the accusations, Masterson was sacked from the Netflix series The Ranch in December 2017 and vehemently denied all wrongdoing. The acclaimed 3-season run of Scientology and the Aftermath came to an end in August 2019 with the airing of Remini's interviews with 2 of the alleged rape victims. Remini and Jennifer Lopez co-starred in the romantic comedy's second act in November of last year. The comedy, which was helmed by Pete Segal, made over $72 million at the box office globally. Additionally, she has appeared in Who's the Boss?, Milo's Murphy Law, Cheers, Friends, and Saved by the Bell on television. Remini, her husband Angelo, and their daughter Sophia currently call Los Angeles home. For her newest gig, Leah Remini is putting on her dance shoes. The Kevin Can Wait actress exclusively revealed to us that she is having so much fun in her new role as judge on Fox's competition series, taking over the former So You Think You Can Dance judge Matthew Morrison. The show is great, Remini declared. It really is a community. In June 2022, after the Glee alum confirmed he would be leaving the show in May, she was named as Morrison's replacement. Later, it was claimed that he has lost his job on the program because he sent a contestant flirty social media messages, but he has subsequently rejected what he calls blatantly incorrect accusations made anonymously. Remini, though, isn't focusing on the scandal surrounding the former judge. The 52-year-old stated, "I just want to be entertained," to Daily Pop in its interview. She continued, "This event is not about the best dancer. It concerns a top performance. It's up to the audience to choose their favorite, which isn't necessarily represented by flawless technique." According to what JOJO SIWA told Daily Pop, it appears like her colleagues' judges are having just as much as fun as she is. "She is hilarious. She's hilarious. I cherish her." SIWA continued, "She brings the humor, keeps it enjoyable, keeps it light-hearted. She provides a wealth of information to the panel because she is well-educated in Hollywood, the arts, and entertainment." Remini is wonderful, according to Stephen Twitch Boss, who also believes that her lack of dance expertise makes her a good judge. "We truly do have a panel full of artists, and that's why I enjoy it," he said. She is skilled in speaking about powerful performances. "You never know just what will come out of her mouth, and I adore it and welcome it," said host Kat Deely. Top Gun. Top Gun Maverick gave Tom Cruise the largest box office debut of his career, but not everyone is happy about it. Leah Remini has opinions on the subject of the actor's affiliation with the Church of Scientology, which has been a hot topic online. Leah Remini is going to college after Scientology prevented her from pursuing a career in academia. The 50-year-old actress, who quit the contentious group in 2013, posted on social media about her acceptance to the New York University School of Professional Studies, while both happy and in tears. She will be pursuing a liberal arts associate degree. Coming from a cult and a family who didn't respect education, the former King of Queens star added, "For someone like me, a person who really wanted a higher education and options in life, this is a very huge day for me." The Brooklyn native star continued, "This didn't come easily. One of the last portions of my life that I am reclaiming for myself from Scientology is this one. It took a lot of courage for me to take this step, despite my fears that I wasn't good enough, intelligent enough, deserving enough, or capable enough to complete the necessary job given my advanced age." Congratulations poured in from all over the world, even from her best friend Jennifer Lopez, who left a message on her page saying, "So proud of you, baby," and adding the hashtag, "No, it's never too late." Producer ELAINE Goldsmith Thomas, a friend they both have, shared Remini's post and commented that Remini had always wanted a college education, but she joined a cult when she was very young and was waylaid. That's it for this video, TTP member. Remember to subscribe to our channel, and if you feel like we've delivered value, please share this video with one person. That's right, just one person, as a token of your appreciation for the hard work we put into making content that educates and helps you on your mission of building your own fortune. Remember, you can watch video after video, but it isn't until you take action that you'll start to see results. See you on the next one.